Welcome to Ethical GPT channel. In this video, we will get the cheapest .com domain available. If you're interested in this content, subscribe to the channel to receive all new videos on topics and ideas for making money online. Without further ado, here is the site where you will get the cheapest .com domain. You will find the link in the description. We'll click here to register on the site, then click on Sign Up to create a new account. We enter the first name, last name, email, username, and finally the password. Then we click on Sign Up. I already have an account on the site, so I will log in. This is the site interface. To get the domain, we have to click on the search icon, then click on Domain List. We wait for the site to load. After it finishes loading, this interface appears. We enter the domain we want here. Then we click on Search and wait. As you can see, this domain is taken, so we'll try another domain. As you can see, this domain is available and this is its price, but we will buy it for a much lower price, so stay with me until the end of the video. Now we click on Add to Cart, then View Cart. As you can see now, the price of the domain has become $2.88 after entering the promo code shown in front of you. You will find it in the description. Now we click on Checkout and wait a bit. After this interface appears, we can see that the site supports several payment methods. For me, I will choose the bank card, but you can choose whatever you want. Now enter the required information, then click on Save. Then come to this field and click on Edit. Then add address and enter your address and other required information correctly to avoid any future problems. Now click on Save, then Apply. Now go up and click on Pay Now. And this is how you buy the cheapest .com domain. This was our explanation for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all new videos.